Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I have a crazy channel that is about the kids, about my life, and reviews and cooking and all kinds of crazy stuff. So stick around if you want. I don't know if you've seen this on TikTok, but I've been dying to try. This is called Chocobox. I am not sponsored, by the way, so this will be a completely honest review. But I want to do the Dubai chocolate bar. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like a crispy, I think they call it fallow dough. I don't know. And then pistachio butter. So this one you make your own. So I'm gonna make my own today and try it out and do a little review on Chocobox. So like I said before, I found this on TikTok and it was going viral. My day just got a whole lot sweeter. And yours will too if you try this out, maybe. So this is the Dubai chocolate bar. So they give you a little mold. They give you your chocolates. I'm going to butcher this. Katafi? Kadafi? I don't know. Help me if you know how to pronounce that. And our pistachio cream and tahini mix. I can pronounce that one. So let's read the directions and get started. After reading the directions, it says the key is to not burn your chocolate. So we're gonna use a double boiler. I've already started that. I'm gonna let the water heat up. And you need 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm gonna start melting that. And I'm gonna use a medium-ish, almost medium-high heat. And then I will add my shredded goodness over here. And once I get that all nice and toasted up, I'll show you it once we put it in and how we get it toasted up. And then we'll start melting our chocolate to make our bar. Now that the butter has melted down, I'm gonna add this to the mix. Ooh, that's cool. All right. And we're gonna toast this up. Ooh. I started on a medium high heat, but once we started seeing this golden brown, I turned it down just a little bit because I don't want it to burn. I just want it to golden pretty evenly. I think that looks so cool. Oh, that looks perfect. That's the color we're going for. I think this is a pretty good color. It's golden brown, and I definitely don't want to burn it, so I'd rather it be a little, you know, less cooked than too cooked. I feel like that's a safe bet. So what I'm gonna do is set this to the side and let it cool off while I start my double broiler out for my chocolate. I just wanted to add, the instructions do say that this chocolate can burn easily. You can melt these in the microwave, but I wouldn't, just based on the fact that it tells you that it will easily burn in the microwave. This just seems to be a better option, so you don't burn it. All you do is you get a pot, and I have like a little strainer here, and then I add a bowl into the strainer and make myself a little makeshift double broiler. So yeah, don't burn your chocolate. I feel like I have a pretty good consistency here, so I'm gonna move this over and I'm gonna start filling my mold. First, we are going to pop this in here and smooth it out. You want to make sure you get the sides and the bottom. So it's really important to make sure that you get the sides coated as well. Let's see. Because that is going to be the base for your chocolate bar. Okay. I'm going to pop this in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Now that we've cooled off a bit, I'm going to toss this in here. And now I'm going to add my pistachio cream and tahini mix. Oh my gosh, I'm so, like, I don't even want to try it until I have it all mixed together. I'm so excited. I'm going to be really disappointed if this isn't good. Like, highly, highly disappointed. Oh, and there's like little chunks of pistachio in this. Oh my goodness. Okay, see? Oh my goodness. This looks fantastic. Okay, and now that we are all mixed, per the instructions, you have to take a bite so you can try it. It literally says that in the instructions. It says, and take a bite. First taste test. Okay. That is good. That is really good. I'm so happy it's good because I saw a review and they were like, this is not impressive. And I was like, if I do this and I don't like it, I'm going to be so upset. Amazing. I cannot wait to finish the chocolate bar. Cannot wait. We set this for 10 minutes and now we're going to fill. Oh my gosh. It even sounds crispy. Ugh. Ew, this is so cool. Filling our cooled bottom half. Actually, that's the top half. The top half of our chocolate bar. I think I'm putting too much filling in it, but honestly, I'm okay with it because I really want it to be filled. So we fill that up. My chocolate's been over here melting. So I'm going to grab, I'm gonna let it melt just a little bit more so it's not chunky. Okay. Now that our chocolate is completely melted, we're gonna bring it over and put our top layer on evenly as we can. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. You do not have to be perfect at this to make it work, hopefully. Try to lay all this flat as possible. Fill in all of our corners. All right. And now we will pop this baby back into the freezer for another 15 minutes. Let's kind of like tap it down and make sure it's all even. All right. While we wait, I'm gonna finish out this filling. I have never been so excited about a chocolate bar in my life. So I'm gonna take the edges off. Let's see if we got a nice put together chocolate bar. Oh my goodness. I don't wanna crack it. What do I do? Oh my gosh. Ah. I did it. I think. I don't wanna crack it. I am so excited! It looks pretty good. And the moment I have been waiting for, this is what got me on TikTok, is the chocolate bar break. Oh my goodness! Oh, okay. I have to try this. Ten out of 10. It's like nutty and sweet and crunchy. Buy it. Buy it and let me know what you think, because I am in love. My review is 10 out of 10. It was amazing. It's called Chocbox. You can order it on TikTok. I think you can get it on Instagram as well, and you can also get it at chocboxla.com. Order one, let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for joining me today and watching me try this new little experiment of mine. And I'm really sorry I haven't been on YouTube in a while. I have just been taking a break, kind of just trying to stay away from all of the social media stuff. But I'm back and I'm gonna try to post more. That was my New Year's resolution. I said I'm going to try to post more on YouTube. So I'm back, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if it's your first time here, welcome. Please stay. And thank you. I will see you later. Bye.